So with beach season just around the corner, we do want to start talking about weight loss a little bit, getting rid of that pudge. So if you want to lose 12 pounds like my friend Denise, or if you maybe want to lose 20 like my friend Deanna, or if you want to lose 100 like Susan, then you want to listen in, because I can help you with all of those. So one of the best ways that I like to help my friends and clients lose weight is to get them on our meal replacement protein shake. I love it because it has 24, actually it's this one, 24 grams of protein. Plus it has 20 essential vitamins, minerals. It has avocado oil in it. So it's very filling. And we know that to lose weight, right, we need to increase our activity and decrease our calories, right? So there has to be that deficit of calories in order to lose weight. So this meal replacement shake is an amazing meal replacement that you can have for breakfast and lunch. So you can do it twice a day. If you're busy, if you work in an office, you're running around, between now and the end of the school year, whatever, before summer hits, now's the time to jump in on this. What I love about it is easy, convenient, and more importantly, it's delicious. So you want to do something that's yummy, right? So that's delicious. Oh, by the way, guys, take a look at my little pickleball earrings. I got those for my birthday from my friend Daya. And yeah, I'm 67. So you want to listen in, because I can share with you what I do to stay healthy and active and feeling good and staying trim. I did my first 30 days to healthy living when I was, I believe, 51. So do the math, it was lots of years ago. And I've maintained. So I can help you get it out, move it off the scale, and then maintain as well. So that's what we want to do. So start with a protein shake. I love that, because you need protein. Women, we need protein. We need protein for our muscles. We just need to be doing also weights, by the way. I just throw that in there. With the Healthy Habits set, I'm going to talk about the Healthy Habits set, because that's probably a more affordable set. It's a 30-day set, but you're just doing one protein shake for breakfast or lunch, and then a healthy, some people fast, so they're only eating 2 meals a day, so this would work great. And it is amazing. It comes in chocolate and vanilla, and the chocolate is really chocolatey, by the way. We also have then our Energy Fizz, and these come in 7 different flavors: strawberry, blackberry, pineapple, watermelon, blood orange. We have a limited flavor, apricot basil. That's my husband's favorite. Mine actually is the blackberry. I love the strawberry too. We have pomegranate, and we have this one that I'm missing. Anyway, we have 7 flavors, something for everybody. Along with this set, you are going to receive our gut health probiotic, prebiotic, digestive enzyme, because here's the thing. When you're losing weight, you want to also be protecting that gut. So that's what we want to do. We want to protect the gut, want to heal the gut, feed the gut. So we're going to do that with our gut health microbiome and digestion support. Love that. Along with this weight loss system, you are also going to receive a box of our Clean Tox Detox Tea. And I love this tea because it's actually going to help your body start to detoxify. It supports the liver and the kidneys, which will really help in helping you to shed the pounds, because toxins like to hang on to fat cells and make them stubborn. So we want to detoxify while we're doing this so that we can shed the weight in a nice, easy way. Oh, I should say simple. Nothing's ever easy. Simple way. Here's a note too, that when you're doing this program with us, here's what you're going to also get. You're going to get coaching, a accountability, recipes, support. You really want to incorporate clean meals along with these products in order to get optimal results. And that's where I come in. So there's going to be first of all, there'll be a link in the description, so be sure to click it. You can register as a preferred client, get 20% off, free shipping, free gift, all of that yumminess. It's a $29 one-time registration fee. It's actually an annual fee, but we have ways for you to get it waived throughout the year. Or if you just like, I just want to try it, but keep in mind, we do have a 60-day money-back guarantee. And that's an empty bag. You can send the empty bag back. So you can try it for 60 days. It didn't work, but I want to tell you something. If you follow the program, it works. But we do have that guarantee. But you can use my code that's in the description and get 10% off. That's an option as well. What I really like for people to do is a few add-ons. So let me talk about some add-ons. These are our biotic sticks. They're great because they're like a pixie stick. They go right on the tongue and they taste amazing. 4-year-olds and up can have them. Why would you want another probiotic? Because there are billions upon billions upon billions of bacteria in our gut that we need, and you're never going to get them with just one probiotic. You always have to do a dual probiotic or more to get all of the probiotics. Of course, there's lots of fruits and vegetables that add probiotics, and you can check out some of my other videos on that. For people that want to really amp up their metabolism, they feel their metabolism is just too slow, we have our Feel Fit Metabolism Support. This has green tea extract in it, so it's going to give you a little bit of a energy buzz. So take it, it says 2 a day with a meal, so I would take it breakfast and lunch, or just take one, even one a day is going to be beneficial. So that will give that metabolism. If you feel your metabolism just needs an extra kick, this is the product to get. And lastly, I want to talk to you about our Green Gut Glow Shot. That's this Green Synergy Elixir. You hear me talking about it all the time because this has 12 fruits and vegetables in it. It has more probiotic in it, and it has our skin elixir to help you with hair, skin, and nails, which is great for collagen support. Is the skin elixir. So all of this system, each product can be purchased individually. So if you just want to try a couple, like maybe you're like, I just want to dip my toe in. If you're just want to dip your toe in, then I would recommend the protein and the fizz. Why protein and the fizz? The protein because it's a meal replacement and it's going to replace a meal, right? And then the fizz because it's going to help you with energy. It has chromium to balance your blood sugar throughout the day, so it helps with those sweet tooth cravings that we get. And it gives you it has ginseng, so it gives you a nice overall feeling of well-being. I love my Energy Fizz. So I would do that. If you're ready for the host system, then grab the host system. If you're ready to grab the host system and add a few things, then add the Feel Fit Metabolism Boost and our greens, either the solid greens, which is all greens, or the Green Synergy Elixir. So that's kind of an overall of a lot of different options for you. If you have any questions, comment. You can also message me. I'm easy to find, Mary Burleson, on Facebook, on Instagram, TikTok. It's my name everywhere. You can email me at mary@maryburleson.com. So I'm simple to find. I'm here for you. Let's get you started on a healthy journey so that you can age gracefully and have an amazing life.